Karunakara Surindra Guruvarya Padambujam Navani-Tanatottamsam Guru Pankti Shriyannumaha. Tirupavai, a treasure house of trees, 12th Pasuram. This Pasuram speaks about three things that were present in abundance in the house of the best friend of Krishna. Andal wanted to include each and every friend of hers in the Margari Vrata that she was to perform. So she goes to the house of the sister of the best friend of Krishna. This best friend of Krishna was known as Narchelvan, and the girl who is being called out in Pasuram 12 is called Narchelvan Tangai, meaning the sister of Narchelvan. As they reached this girl's house, Andal found that there was a flood in front of the house. What was that flood made of? It was made of milk. It was a milk flood. And this milk flood was caused because the buffaloes and cows of this house were left unattended. They were not milked, and their calves were not taken to them to be given milk. Because of this, listening to the sound of their calves, buffaloes had started giving out their milk on their own, thus leading to a pool of milk in front of the house. Kanaithilam katranumai kandrukkirangi ninaithu mulai valiye nindru paal sora, she says. So there was a milk flood in front of the house. There was abundance of milk in front of the house. These girls did not want to leave out this Narchelvan Tangai at any cost. So they swam across this milk flood and reached the gate of the house. They clung on to that gate and called out to this girl, "Oh Narchelvan Tangai, please come out. We want you to join us as soon as possible. We are struggling in a flood, and not just one flood. There is one flood of milk below our feet, another flood above our heads, which is the flood of fog. Panittalai veeda," they say. There is morning fog because it's the month of Margari, and we are clinging on to the gate, struggling in that flood of fog. There's so much fog falling on us. As they say this, the girls realize why the house is like this. The house is like this, unattended, only because this Narchelvan does not have time to look into any of the material aspects of his life. He is so devoted in mind to Krishna that he follows him like a shadow. He cannot remain without Krishna even for a single minute, and he wants to attend to each and every chore of Krishna. Thus, in the process, he forgets that he has anything belonging to him even in this world. That sense of belonging or that sense of possessiveness or ego or ahankara or mamakara is totally absent in this person. He is like Lakshmana, who gave up the riches of the palace and went behind Rama. Thus, thinking of this Narchelvan, these girls start feeling that they should also have supreme devotion like him. And as they think so, a flood of devotion starts coming out from their hearts in the form of a respectful feeling. So they find abundance of devotion in themselves when they are standing in front of the house of this Narchelvan. Thus, this best friend of Krishna, Narchelvan, had a house which had an abundance of milk, an abundance of fog, and abundance of devotion, thus showing three things in abundance. Seeing the devotion of Andal, Narchelvan Tangai also comes and joins them. ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.